Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Lieutenant General ke GOC ke 101 area Usan J Malik ulapun pau bakajing maramat penbhaya ke madan yalekai football Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium ke badan Apollo kalong ke babiang hakabawat hadian ke jingther ulaba ubajur Henry tang hadian balarang yu isu watang shijau ke hakate ke madan yakani ke jing maramat lashim khiara ke sarkar jila nadu usnam arja arpuar dak bakaliang no na uplang plastik she uplang bashisha ne natural grass nalor kiwe kijing maramat penbhai ke stadium hi barok kawei ke bakan thop ikijaka shong kinong pet kai kijaka kre kinong yele kai bat kiwe haba penpau hakilat pathai kubor haka khat phra tarik unai tung arjar pusau umalik ulaong bakate ke madan HJN stadium kalong ke babiang bha banele kai kum ka kanhun kele banpet bhai ke jinglong jiman ke madan yele kai bakan tuklar ya ke athletic track namar kani kala ban shimpor tekumta ulak khmi lenti bakani ke stadium kanlong ke babiang na dong shadong Hashwa ka artarik unailar hak baka lajong kane khuningkong persha ya ka kenhun sipai ka banan Nepal ka Tribhuvan Army FC hagawi pat kalyang ka secretary ka tanat yale kai jong ka sarkar jala ka kong Isawanda lalu kalapan pau baka jingdi ki tiket jong ka Duran Cup nak benta ka group F kala sedang nadu ka khat phra tarik unai tung arja pusau hakani ka nong ba link ba ka online but offline
help us grow from 2019 till now. The tournament has made its footprint in Meghalaya for the first time, and it's not just because of the passion which is there amongst the people of Meghalaya, but also the huge amount of enthusiasm which you've had from the government of Meghalaya and steered by Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Sports Minister, and all the other dignitaries of the state government. So on behalf of our Army Commander and the patron of Duran Cup Organizing Committee, Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, Uttam Yuddha Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, Sena Medal, we, that is from the DCOC, Duran Cup Organizing Committee, we would like to take on record our gratitude to the state government. As you're all aware, you've seen a couple of movies now. The Duran Cup is not just a tournament, it's a legacy. And we have managed to rekindle the association of the Duran Cup with the President of India on the 10th of this month, where Honorable President accepted our offer of unveiling and flagging of the trophy to all over the country. So besides the objective of promoting sports, the armed forces, our long-term vision also includes improving civil-military relations. And Duran Cup is one of the finest examples where the Indian Army joins hands with the stakeholders, we are all here, in successfully conducting the tournament. 12 to 16 teams and a single city event to now a 24-team, 4-state extravaganza. There are 24 teams participating, as you all know. The top of the line ISL teams, all 13 of them are participating. We have got a couple of teams from the I-League, that is the India League, that is the B string of our nation. We have the 3 services teams of India, Army, Navy and Air Force. We have 2 CAPF teams, the CISF and the BSF. And we have from the neighboring state, region, the Nepal Army team, which is the Tribhuvan Army, which shall be playing matches here, as well as the Bangladesh Armed Forces team, which is slotted in the pool, which is in Jamshedpur. So, besides these, we have also taken effort to give boost to local talent, and hence we have got 2 local teams from that is Downtown Heroes from Kashmir and Bodoland Football Club from Assam. So 24 teams have been divided into 6 pools. Each pool has got 4. There are 3 pools which are located in Calcutta. They will be playing their pool matches within Calcutta. And of course, 1 pool each is at Jamshedpur, Shillong and at Kokrajhar. After the pool matches, which are 36 in number, thereafter we shall move on to the knockout stage, wherein there will be 4 quarterfinals between 8 teams. So from 6 pools, we take out 8 teams, the 6 winners and 2 best losers. Comprising of these 8, they will fight it out for the semi-finals, and thereafter would be 2 semi-finals and then the finals. The finals is scheduled on 31st of August in Kolkata. But once again, I would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya the Minister of Sports and the entire state administration for their continuous support and for smooth conduct of the Durand Cup, as well as thank the splendid state of Bidadi for doing so.
Held at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. The time schedule and the dates has been published on the social media. You can see the calendar there.
Is the stadium?
Before I come to that question, ma'am, I must compliment the state authorities and the chief engineer and people involved, sports ministry. You know, the stadium which has come up, you'll be proud to know, it's of international standards. And for you people, please go there after 3 hours of torrential rain and see even if there is 1 inch of water standing on the ground. That's the level of stadium which has been created at Shillong. As far as the completion is concerned, ma'am, for the football tournament, we are nearly through. Maybe another 3-4 days, I can give you a 100% status. That's why I say 20th or 22nd of July. The balance elements of the stadium, that is the running track and other things, may take some time, but we are not rushing on that. Our concern right now is to conduct the football matches. For that, the Football Federation is here today in station. They would certify the ground and clear it by today evening. So we are ready in all respects to conduct the ground.
How many?
Hyderabad Football Club, Goa Football Club, and the Tribhuvan Football Club. That's a Nepal Army team. So 4 teams are in the pool at Shillong.
So what will be the
500 to be exact. And I expect more crowd. But the planning is gone based on the population of Shillong. They've designed it very well, the seating capacity. So I hope to have house full on all the matches. The lead agency here is the state police. We've had number of coordinating meetings with them. We are working in conjunction with them. You could say that the inner periphery of the stadium is being covered by the Meghalaya police, and the peripheral security is with us. So plans are in place. I can't share them here for security reasons, but let me assure you, we have a tight system in place.
What about the people who wants to?
years, we are in partnership with Sony Sports. There is live telecast taking place of all the 43 matches. So A to Z, all matches will be telecast. Especially on the opening days where we have opening ceremonies at all the venues, there will be additional time starting before. So there will be some amount of time given for covering the opening ceremonies as well. So everybody can watch at home from the matches, as well as from the OTT platforms at Sony Live. These matches are being live telecast.
To inform them that ticket sales have commenced today. In fact, there's a box office right outside the Sosotham Auditorium in which we are starting the sale of tickets today, both in the offline mode and the online mode. Moreover, there will be pop-up box offices coming in and around Shillong City and a lot of prominent locations such as Nehu in Police Bazaar and Don Bosco Square. And there will also be mobile vans which will move around different routes in Shillong City and the outskirts, so that football fans and football lovers all across the state will be able to get good access to tickets in time for the matches which they prefer to watch.